In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use a saved signature in Adobe Acrobat DC. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your signature, how to create it if you haven't already, and how Acrobat keeps it ready for you every time you need it. First, open Adobe Acrobat DC. Once it's up, look toward the Quick Access toolbar. You'll see an icon that looks like a pen writing on a line. That's the fill and sign area, and it's the home for your signature and your initials. Think of it as your signing shortcut. It's always there, within a click. If you've already created a signature in the past, Acrobat will show it to you right there, ready to drop into any PDF. If you don't see one yet, no worries. Use that pen icon to open the Fill and Sign panel where you can create a new signature and, if you like, your initials as well. Acrobat gives you a few simple ways to make it your own. You can type your name and let Acrobat style it. You can draw your signature with your mouse or trackpad, or you can import an image of your signature if you have a clean scan. Keep it clear and legible, and aim for strong contrast. Dark ink on a light background works best if you're uploading an image. Once you've created your signature, Acrobat automatically saves it for you. There's nothing extra you need to do. From now on, whenever you open Acrobat DC and go back to that same pen icon in the Quick Access toolbar, your saved signature and your initials, if you created them, will be there, ready to use. This saves you time and keeps your documents consistent because you won't need to recreate your signature each time you sign. When you're working in a document and need to sign, simply return to that pen icon, choose your saved signature or initials, and place them where they belong. Acrobat remembers your choices across sessions, so the tool is always exactly where you expect it. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Keep your signature simple and readable, especially if you're drawing it by hand with a mouse or trackpad. If you're using an image, a well-lit high-resolution scan with a plain white background looks the most professional. And if you're on a shared or public computer, avoid saving your signature there. Use your own device whenever possible. That's it. Open Acrobat DC, head to the pen icon, create your signature and initials if needed, and let Acrobat save them so they're always ready for you.